moments ago after we dropped that American Ethanol green flag. It was Denny Hamlin and Jamie McMurray that were side by side at the line. They're going to be separated only by a car length this time by Mick Kennedy.
Jimmy Johnson in the middle, Clint Bowyer top side, Bowyer in that extreme outside lane, trying to get some drafting help, trying to make his way to the front, but right now they are 3 wide for 6. Marcus Ambrose to the bottom, Jimmy Johnson stuck in the middle, then it's going to be Clint Bowyer top side, they are 3 wide, 3 rows deep behind them, AJ Allmendinger, Jeff Gordon, and Kyle Busch.
This is absolutely unreal racing here tonight at the Daytona International Speedway. Here comes the field across the line, heading back into the corner, and then he
side by side for 4th down. Here they come thundering up the super stretch. In that race for 4th to the inside, Juan Pablo Montoya to the outside, Jamie McMurray, and each of them have drafting help. Still locked up side by side. McMurray to the outside, Montoya to the inside, then behind them it's going to be Marcus Ambrose to the inside. From Jimmy Johnson, also AJ Allmendinger and Jeff Gordon side by side as well.
Rick Cars nose to tail at the front of the field, and they're 2 by 2 for about 5 rows, then 3 wide from the back.
It's Kyle Busch. Those 2 Toyotas do the extreme outside lane. Sacramento's defeat play. They've got a lot of work to do. Minimal drafting help in that extreme outside line. All of the drafting help, or a good chunk of it, to the inside. Marginal drafting help in the middle. And still 4 cars trying to make hay in the outside. And all the momentum this time through turn number 3, right on the bottom of the racetrack, led by Denny Hamlin. Matt Kenseth is there as well, along with Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Juan Pablo Montoya.
We are 2 laps past halfway. 82 down, leaving us with 78 to go. Denny Hamlin